In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix not enough memory or disk space in Microsoft Word. If you've ever tried opening a document in Microsoft Word and suddenly received a message saying there isn't enough memory or disk space, it can be incredibly frustrating. The good news is that this issue is usually easy to fix. I'll guide you through several practical solutions that can help resolve the problem and get your documents opening normally again. The first thing you should try is restarting your computer. A simple reboot can clear temporary glitches and free up system resources that may be causing the error. Once your computer has restarted, the next step is to remove temporary files. Open File Explorer and click on the address bar at the top. Type %local app data % followed by \temp, then press Enter. This will open the folder where temporary files are stored. Select all the files inside by pressing Ctrl and A on your keyboard. After everything is highlighted, right-click on any selected file and choose Delete. Removing these temporary files can free up space and improve performance. You may also want to move large files, such as videos or old documents, to an external drive or SSD to create additional storage space. If clearing space does not solve the issue, the problem may be related to Word's protected view settings. Open Microsoft Word and click on File in the top left corner. Then select Options at the bottom of the menu. In the Word Options window, choose Trust Center from the left panel and click on Trust Center Settings. Next, select Protected View. Uncheck the options for files originating from the Internet and for Outlook attachments. Click OK, then click OK again to apply the changes. After that, try opening your document once more. If you're still experiencing issues, try running Word as an administrator. You can also repair your Microsoft 365 apps. Click the Windows icon on the taskbar, go to Settings, then Apps, and select Installed Apps. Find Microsoft 365, click on it, and choose Modify. Select either Quick Repair or Online Repair. Then click Repair and wait for the process to complete. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.